Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Synergize with Sudhasha. It's been exactly a month I posted my last video, but better late than never. Republic Day is just around the corner and this year our nation is going to celebrate 72nd year of being Republic. So a very happy Republic Day to all of you in advance. In my last video, I spoke about Lord Dattatrey's 5 gurus and the lesson of self-discipline we learn from them. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Python, which is the 13th guru of Lord Dattatrey, and an essential soft skill lesson we all human beings must learn from this guru. The Python remains in one place and waits patiently for its prey. It swallows its prey and digests it by resting in a warm place. It doesn't complain about the prey being good or bad, sweet or bitter, but accepts what comes to it. Lord Dattatrey observed that despite the lack of effort by Python, the food comes to the Python at its right time by the nature's arrangement. The Python also doesn't get anxious about its survival, thereby living a life of contentment and happiness. Yes, the soft skill lesson that we can learn from Lord Dattatrey's 13th guru, the Python, is to be happy. I would like to share a small story with all of you. This is a story about a group of management students and fishermen. Few management students went on a business field trip. They planned to relax and chill out in the evening. They decided to go to a nearby lake where there was a small village. They saw few local fishermen playing musical instruments, dancing around the campfire, singing songs and having fun with their families and friends. The students asked the fishermen about their daily routine. The fishermen replied that they usually wake up late, fish for a few hours, feed their families and spend time by the lake in the evenings. The curious MBA students suggested, "Why don't you fish for a longer time and sell those fish to make money?" To this, the confused fisherman asked, "And then what do we do?" "You could buy a boat and fish larger areas, catch more fish, and in turn earn more money," said the students. To this, the more confused fisherman asked, "And then what do we do?" "Well, you could buy a fleet of boats, hire some fishermen, catch more fish, and make a lot of money," said the undergrads. "And what next?" asked the now inquisitive fisherman. "It's simple," said the fellows. "You sell your business to a large organization, you will be richer." "What do we do afterwards?" the fisherman genuinely raised the question. The students said, "You wake up late, fish for a few hours, feed your family, and spend time by the lake in the evenings." The completely baffled fishermen looked at each other and one of them said, "Isn't that we are already doing now?" So, the moral of the story is, whatever destination you have chosen for your life, it is only valuable if you find happiness during the journey. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination. Thank you. Now, let us make an attempt to assess your level of happiness. I'm going to ask you a few questions and you are going to select either A or B option. Do you wake up every morning with a smile on your face? A. Every day. B. Sometimes. Which emojis you use the most? The ones shown in A or the ones shown in option B? Question 3. When was the last time you felt satisfied and contented after giving something to someone? Was it A, within a week, or B, don't know, or a long time ago? Here I have also shared with you 10 things you can give to people which cost nothing. The fourth question is, do you use the pet's words? A. Often, or B. Sometimes or rarely?
Pets are please, excuse me, thank you, and sorry words. The fifth and the last question. Do you compare yourself with others? A. Rarely, or B. Often?
If your answer to most of the questions is A, then you are on the right track. However, those with most Bs will have to buck up. Remember, it's never too late. Find happiness in things you love to do. It could be following your passion or spending time with your family, going on a small trip, loving pets, making your loved ones happy, being grateful, and radiating positivity. In this entire process, don't forget to keep smiling. Today, I'm going to share some happiness sutras with all of you.
The first happiness sutra is to smile.
We have often heard that smile is contagious. Smile increases your face value. And believe me, that is absolutely true. Smile often. A smile spreads positive vibes and energy. Besides, it also helps you to widen your social circle.
The second happiness sutra is to avoid comparison.
We all are customized products of the Almighty. Each one of us is unique. It's good to compare you with yourself in order to track your progress. However, if you compare yourself with others, it's going to damage your happiness as well as your self-esteem.
The third happiness sutra is to believe in giving.
When you watch a good movie or savor delicious food at a restaurant, you share your experience with people and post it on social media too, even though you're not getting paid for it. I have already shared the list of 10 things that you can give to spread happiness.
The fourth happiness sutra is to accept yourself.
If you want the world to accept who you are, you must first accept yourself. Each one of us on this planet is special. Know your SWOT. Work on it. This will eventually lead to contentment and happiness.
The fifth happiness sutra is to connect with people who matter.
When we surround ourselves with people who matter, whom we care for and who care for us, everyone leads a happy life. Create deep, meaningful relationships around you, not just virtually.
The sixth and the last happiness sutra is to have an attitude of gratitude.
Here is a small task. Write down 10 things that you are grateful for every day for a week. The challenge is that you are not supposed to repeat anything. Do this exercise and see how blessed you are. There are a lot of things that we miss to be thankful for. Practice gratitude and see how happy you feel. These were some of the happiness sutras, and I'm sure practicing it would make you feel happier. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Do let me know in your comments below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about my new videos. In my next video, I'm going to talk about Lord Dattatrey's 14th Guru, the ocean, and the soft skill lesson we can learn from it. Thank you once again, and I'll be back soon.